Hello guys, welcome to CJsocks channel. Today we will talk about make custom socks. How to choose a reliable socks manufacturer. At the CJsocks factory, we work hard to make custom socks for companies and individual clients who want to custom socks. Customized sports socks, fashion socks, dress socks, medical socks, children's socks types, and so on. Being the biggest custom socks manufacturer in China, you can count us on the best quality, practice surface, and competitive price. One of the good things with the manufacture of custom socks is that the customers can choose your socks colors, design your own socks, come up with your private label, or having also slowed down by our highly qualified and experienced team. Here are reasons why CJsocks is your best choice for custom socks. Firstly, we are welcome to our customers to choose their socks designs, colors, patterns, packages, and materials. In short, we work with our clients from all over the world and ensure that we meet and exceed their requirements for custom socks. We have been in the business of socks manufacturing more than 20 years. This has placed us ahead of the other custom socks manufacturers in China. Thirdly, being a reliable OEM custom socks manufacturer, we offer professional service to all our customers, such as sampling, private labeling of socks, production the best quality of socks, and the shipping of the custom-made socks in the shortest time. Fourth, we offer unlimited yarns choice for you. We have merino wool, bamboo, combat cotton, mercerized cotton, organic cotton, Coolmax, Boist, and many others. You can make a choice, have us make and send a sample of customized socks in 7 to 10 days once we agree on the details. We ship to our customers all over the world. We provide door-to-door shipment to our customer warehouse. Our clients are free to contact us and make agreements with us about the shipment. Regardless of where you are in the world, our team is waiting for your call or email. Feel free to discuss with us your requirements for the best custom socks, and we shall be happy to serve you as our special customer. Thanks very much for your watching. Goodbye.